My project is Toxic Comment Detection Web Application. The main aim of this project is to automatically detect whether a user comment is toxic or non-toxic using machine learning and deep learning methods. This helps create a safer online communication environment. Yeah, nowadays social media has a huge amount of abusive and offensive comments. Manually checking every comment is difficult and time consuming. So in this project, I used artificial intelligence models to automatically classify comments. I also developed a web application where users can test comments in real time. Yeah, coming to the objectives, this project has four main objectives: detect toxic comments automatically, compare machine learning and deep learning models, build a real time web application, deploy the system online for practical use. Yeah. Data pre-processing. For this project, I used 1000 YouTube comments dataset. The comments contain labels like toxic, abusive, and racist comments. This dataset helps train the model to understand harmful language patterns. Data pre-processing. Raw text cannot be directly given to the model, so pre-processing is required. I performed removed unnecessary columns, cleaning text, converting text to lowercase, removing special characters, tokenization, lemmatization, stop word removal, uh, exploring data analysis. I analyzed the dataset using word clouds and frequency analysis. This helped identify commonly used toxic words and patterns in abusive comments. It gave better understanding of how hate speech appears in online text. Yeah. Feature engineering. Machines understand numbers, not text. So I converted text into numerical format using TF-IDF vectorization. I also used oversampling to balance the dataset and improve fairness in predictions. Logistic regression. First, I used logistic regression as a baseline model. It achieved 81% accuracy, which was the best among all models. This shows that even simple machine learning models can perform very well with proper processing. Best performing model equal to logistic regression. LSTM. Next, I used LSTM, a deep learning model. It understands sequence and relationships between words in a sentence. It achieved 74% accuracy. Since data size was small, performance was lower compared to logistic regression. BERT model. Then I used BERT, a transformer based NLP model. It understands context deeply by reading text in both directions. It also achieved 74% accuracy with larger datasets. BERT can perform much better. Is powerful but needs large data. Model comparison. After comparison, logistic regression 81%, LSTM 74%, BERT 74%. So logistic regression performed best for this dataset. This proves model selection depends on data, size, and project requirements. And my conclusion, web application and conclusion. Finally, I built a web application where users can enter comments and get instant toxicity prediction. The app displays prediction from LSTM and BERT along with confidence scores. This makes the project practical and useful for real world moderation systems. Conclusion line. Yeah, in conclusion, this project successfully demonstrates how AI can be used to detect toxic comments automatically and help make online platforms safer. And this is the app I develop, and this is the app link which I can provide in the assignment. Thank you, sir.